Hi friends, my name is Rachel Olson and I'm a librarian here at UNCG, and I just want to give you a couple tips, some information about the libraries that might be helpful for you. So the first thing is that there's a librarian for every major at UNCG. So for instance, I'm the librarian for anthropology, communication studies, lots of other different departments. If you would like to know who your librarian is, I want to show you how to do that right now. All you need to do is go to library.uncg.edu. This is our website, and you can find out who your librarian is by clicking this Librarians by Major link. So let's say you were a nursing major. You can take this list, scroll down, nursing. Your librarian is Leah Leininger, and if you click on her name, it'll actually take you to the library guide for nursing students, which is a super helpful resource. Every major has a librarian, and every major has one of these guides available. So I would definitely encourage you to check out these resources. We worked really hard to put them together for you and to keep them up to date. The second thing I want to make sure you know is that all of our materials, services, all the people, all of the website, the stuff that you use through the university libraries, all of those things are available to you at no additional cost. It is included with the cost of your tuition, so don't hesitate to come visit us, ask us questions, take advantage of the things on our website and in the buildings. We can support you with research and citation help. Again, you can check out those guides, you can talk to your librarians. We also have a chat service available. I'm going to show you how to use that on the library's website. So again, library.uncg.edu, and all you need to do is click Chat with a Librarian. And this chat box will pop up, and you can ask your question. Keep in mind that you're talking to a real person, and these boxes with chat also appear on lots of different library guides, including the nursing one I showed you just a minute ago. The library is going to be undergoing a major renovation starting in December of 2024. If you'd like more information about that renovation, you can use this link. What I want you to know is that the library is not closing. We will have spaces available for you. We will have services available for you. We will always have a library to come to. We're not closing the whole building all at once. And if you have any questions, I'm more than happy to answer those for you. And the last thing, you are welcome at the university libraries. We would love to see you. We would love for you to come visit, get in touch with us. We're glad you're here. We want you to take advantage of the spaces and services that we have available for you. So stop on by. If you choose to visit me, Rachel, at the university libraries, I even have a special price for you.